Hi everyone. I'm in the local. It's a small village. They have this is one of the places they doing homemade like noodle. You know, like local noodle. Not many places do it like this business anymore. So it's really nice that we get to see this place. Okay, it's really nice. Bring back my childhood memories. So yes, guys. This is from the beginning. It's like a flower. This particular flower. They have the flower they put in the water and they probably sitting in the water for a while. This is going in the milk machine. And then this one. So after the machine, throw in there and then the machine will go in here. Machine off and then go in here. So it's into a certain heat. Maybe the noodles like a pasta noodle, but it's not like a spicy pasta. So yes, and down go in the cold water. So to from that heat going down to the cold water. Yes. So this is cold water here. Cold water here they already fill this up, and cold water going down. So it's with the noodle come down. So to make it. Now it's not stick together. Yes. And then the noodles go all the way underneath this tube. The tunnels. And then there's someone who's picking up the noodles coming out. So that is the cold water. And then have to wash it again and then through the cold water again. This time. And then there's the lady picking up, going and then make it like nice. So it's really nice common business. So it's hard to find this kind of business in the nowadays, because big guy company, like a Macro, Big C, Lotus. It's nice to support the locals, and there's not a lot of this kind of business anymore. I think anywhere in the country. Yes. So, maybe some cereal, like. Bundles is like big bundles they put in the cup in a bowl. This is how, like, depending on how much they separate by certain amounts. They อันนี้ขายยังไงคะ15 บาท15 This is 15 baht like a half a dollar แล้วอันนี้ราคาที่เป็น125 baht. This is sale by kilogram, so 25 baht per kilogram, so which is about $1 per kilogram. And อันนี้ราคาเล็กๆ15 บาทอ๋อเหมือนอันนู้น and this one little tray 15 baht. Yeah, so each. And then they pack it. The young lady, she just pack it, wrapping in the wrapping plastic, and then ready to sell. Take it to the local store in the area. So oftentimes people just come and stop by and then pick it up. Yes. So it's really nice business. So I'm glad that we get to see this operation. I would say this operation. นี่คือประมาณยังไม่สุดดีนะแต่คือสามารถทำเป็นส้มตำได้ You throw the chilies you can use fresh raw chilies or the dry one you know doesn't matter make it even more hot okay there's a lot of chilies in there right but it's depend on how far okay
ป้า
guys
อยู่ไหนเราใส่ตำส้มตำน้ำปลาหามาดีกว่า
this is like type of the lime lemon but not really you know it's just kind of similar you know it's the same family you know but has a very good flavor like in there and we put the shake it a little bit and put in there and okay. We want everything this is that's how I like it too it's good guys awesome I'm happy I'm so happy This part is too hard. Take a longer. The yanao leaves go in there in a pot. First thing first. This is the chilies that I picked in my yard. Okay, now it's really boiling now. Okay, throw this in there. The Thai basil, you can leave it later, very last. Okay, mushroom, a lot of mushroom. Ooh, a lot of mushroom. เยอะมากๆ Nice look. I'm gonna add some flavor. This is like fish, pickle fish. The one the same one you put in the papaya salad. And soy sauce because I don't want to use the fish sauce. She's gonna work just fine. Okay, boiling now. Ooh, look at that, guys. Just gonna throw the basil in there. That's it. Cover it. I forgot to put my chilies in there. Throw in there.